Now, what's up guys, it's Vince Gamer here, with only like time 5. So, I know this is episode 7, so, yeah. Oh yeah, if you guys haven't seen the new house I made, you probably haven't, unless you are in this survival, Clay until my last book, K36 would join my party. So yeah, we almost finished Stupid King 2, what the frick. So yeah, we almost finished Stupid King Lapis Lazuli, which I'll finish right now. I'm gonna finish it off right now. No, I'm not. What? No, yeah, yeah. Yeah. I keep talking. Yes. Oh yeah, they can't hear you, so I need to put it on so they can hear you. Yeah, because that was the one that was on playthrough speakers. I only did like 2 episodes. Hey, you took my Lapis Lazuli.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I put it down over there.
Okay.
You want to kick him or something?
Duh, we're gonna kick him.
Oh, yeah, I thought he left early, glitched out. But no. Oh, yeah, it's not on peaceful.
I wouldn't kick, if it was on peaceful, I wouldn't kick them, but they could like guide a creeper to our chest, and they could just blow it up. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Go and duplicate. See how much that is. It might finish it off.
Yeah, it might finish it. Maybe it'll get, no, it won't. The stack will get 7, so right.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I need to put through a headset and speakers because I can barely hear you. There we go. Now it's just on.
Oh, it's almost enough.
Oh, there, now it's loud. It's loud. Holy cow, that was loud. Ha, ha, ha. Almost enough to finish. Oh, we need one more. This block will be the last one. Got it? Yeah. Let me kick this butt. I'm not gonna get it. It's his brother. I know, that's his brother. Guys, if it was not his, if it was actually the real S9 warrior, I would not kick him. No, not really. We don't really need funny. Cow. Yes, I'll climb for XP. Okay, you're lagging bad. Can you unplug your mic and plug back in? Yeah. Still kind of lagging, but.
Oh, I have bedrock for obsidian.
Oh, how? How much pieces is it? 2? Oh, that was my 2 that mine. Yeah, I did. I do have the iron pick. This time I'm gonna show you where it is. Everything's full in the freaking chest, man. I'll put this in the ticket chest then. You guys will, all YouTubers that watch the video will know it's right here. So I'll grab the pick. Okay, I can't do this, dude. This is really lagging. I'm just gonna put on playthrough headset because it's lagging bad. Wait, is there a spider right there? I thought there was a spider right there. You see how it is? Yeah, make more iron picks. We need to make more iron. We do. I had 4 pieces of iron in this. Oh, there it is. we need to cook this. There we go. Titan 9 Grand Gelino. I'm of course grand. We just need to guide the creepers. I'm gonna mine this more. We just need to guide the mobs into this. Huh? Yeah, someone put a bed down here. Well, yeah, Mastermind put a bed down here. In the mob place. I'm gonna try to scare you when you fall. Oh, farts. Okay, we're just gonna plug this up. We can get rid of this part. There you go. Let's go mining after I get this month assigned. You're mining. You're lag. And 6. I have 2 extra iron picks. How much do you have? Oh no, I see a creeper. Oh, it blew up almost right when I killed it. I take 4 shots, not 3. Huh. Yeah. You guys notice tons of creepers blew up here? A supercharged creeper. I actually never found a supercharged creeper in mine. I don't even know what they look like in Xbox. Are they the blue ones? Do they have like blue all around them? It's like 1 in a million. You're not gonna get a supercharged creeper in your survival. It's like winning a lottery. You're most likely. It's 1 in a million. That's good. But for me, it's 2. Huh? Okay, come on, dude. You need an extra pick? I have 4 diamond picks. I have 4 picks, but mine diamond one. Okay, let's go mining. Mining. You're lagging. You're lagging. I'm going mine for diamonds. Good diamonds. Are you gonna mine with me? Come mine with me. Come mine. Oh, you have the water bucket? Oh, I found a cave. Oh, I found the ravine. I found the ravine that we go in. Dude, unplug your mic and plug it back in. You're really lagging. Like, just like. Oh, I know what we need to do. We need to go in a party. That's. Oh, really? Oh. Okay. I will invite you to a party. Okay. 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 That's way better. Yeah, the system right here. Yeah. Diddly diddly doo, the phone is ringing. That's the ball. Do 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 diamonds. Do 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 diamonds. Yeah. I found water. Got a cave. Come down here. Come down here, I found a cave. Come down my hole, my hole, my hole. Come down here. Oh, keep watch out. Ah, boosh. Oh, that's 2 hearts. How much creepers have we, like, no, I lost 2. Now I have 1 heart. I have 1 heart. Oh, yeah, it is. Okay, we already explored this mining place, so where did we fall in? I'm just gonna mine right here. Yeah. I'm mining. Let's go together. You go 1 shot, I'll go 1 shot. Yes, killed it. Oh, you got the XP. I'm a little... I know, I'm level 23. I'm mining this coal. Good. Where's the source block? Oh, no, not here, bro. Oh, there's tons of obsidian. Do you want to try mining it? I'm gonna try getting the source block out of the way. I'll poop. I know. But, oh, there, I got the block. Okay. Now here's all the water. Oh, what, there's still more water coming down? What the heck? There's all the water. Are you sure? Okay, crowd. Okay. This one? Or what one? This one or that one? Okay. Whoops. Oh! That's close. Woo! Okay, you want to sit back. That was freaking close, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh, it is secure. Huh. I can never get I can never get secure. Are you sure? Oh, that one's not secure yet. I know. Oh, when you're standing on. I was mine this one, but yeah, it is. Yeah, we can mine. Yeah. Probably. I just mine this one. We don't need any more, so yeah, what's the point? We don't need any more. 2. We have 2 in the inventory. In the other chest though. At home. We have 2 at home. I'm getting diamonds, bro. Oh, found water. Come down here. No, come out. Come down. Come down. Let's keep it. Okay, there's water. Water. Come down. Come down this water. Come down the water. Okay, small cave. But okay, yeah, let's get out of here. Troll cave. Evil. It's all about the parkour skills. That's mine somewhere else. Yeah, that's mine over by the... Okay. Oh no! Oh! A slime almost knocked me in lava. Oh my gosh, dude. You guys... Oh, you have to watch this. You have to watch that. A slime almost literally killed me. I know! You saw that? Oh, okay. Dude, that was so close. I landed on this block. That was freaking awesome, but that was deadly. No! No! Lava! Help! Help! Water! Water, please! Water! Water! Yes, it is! I have 1 heart! 1 heart! 1 heart! Lava! Water! No, dude! I said I was gonna die. Right. I know, I saw some stuff go away. Ah. We'll kill it. I know, yeah. I saw a chest. I didn't jump into it. Something hit me. And I was trying to do really easy parkour, but no. Easy parkour around here. I made it. Yeah, I just parkouring from that block to, yeah. I know, but it hits you though. Like, it can randomly hit you. Like, you know, I lost my chest plate. We both lost our chest plate at some point. Remember? No, I saw it fall in lava. I saw it fall. Oh, fire, skeleton. Oh. It's gonna fall in lava anyway. Yeah, take it out like a ball. Oh yeah, I forgot about all the, how much sulfur did you get? Oh wow. I know what. I didn't, you don't get all the levels back for me. I had 23. You got about like half, not even, more than half. I told you we need to find the enchantment table fast. Oh no, it's fire. Told you we needed to find the enchantment table fast. I wasn't lying. When I said, I know. Well, I didn't lose my toes. I'm mine for diamonds. I hope I find out. I'm just kidding. That's like impossible. Unless we stay in here for the rest of our life. Oh, why did I do that? Where? Is that iron pick? Or is that, oh, that's iron. I thought that was stone. I'm like, I know, I had tons. I'm not better out. Let's look for these good diamonds. We don't found. Oh. Freaking gravel is so annoying. Coal. Well, I'm underground by a lot. Oh yeah. Yep. Redstone. Oh my gosh, watch out. Okay, yeah, let's find somewhere else. Whoops. A diamond! Yes! Yes! One, 2, 3. Oh, we have tons! Oh, there's tons! Oh, how much did you get? How much did you get? Oh, I got 6. Oh, dude, yes! I know! Yeah, so we have 7. We can make a chest plate. Watch out, skeleton beside you. I know. We can make a chest. We'll make a chest plate. We can make an enchantment table. Some swords. Yeah, you enchant the sword. I know. But again. Okay, yeah, let's go back up. Watch out, zombie. Oh, I didn't do that. It was a zombie. You're dead. All your stuff, dude. All your XP. Come on. I don't have any water. told you what. Hey, guy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm like... Yeah. Okay, I'm going to... Guide me to the... Oh, I have a map, so... I want you to really kind of... I'm gonna line up right here, because you're really close to me. I'm lining up, so... Put your prey. Pray for me. Oh, really? If I die one more time, if I die with these diamonds, I'm ending the survival. I'm going to be so raging at this. I'm just going to end the survival. Why did you go down there? Why did you go down there? I killed the zombie. That killed you. It was his son. It was his freaking... I know. I was trying to grab your stuff from like before you die, but no. I didn't. I didn't even get your XP. I never knew XP died in lava. Okay. Well, I don't know why else you would not do that on purpose. Yeah, I'm coming up. I think I see what I think I'm underwater. I bet you I'm underwater. I'm close to the surface. If there's lava, like 2 blocks from the surface. Yeah, I'm not out there. I'm not out there. No. I got it. I got him. Oh! The gunpowder. I got a gunpowder. Oh, okay. But yeah, don't keep our hopes. Okay, at least you got the enchantment table and stuff, man. You get the... I get sugar cane. Oh, we need the... Oh, yeah, we can make one. How much food did you freaking have? Okay. 7 diamonds. 7 no, I died. Are you dying again? Oh, it's a creeper. I got... No! Get it! Did you save everything? I got it. You have the diamonds? Do you have the diamonds? You don't have the diamonds? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I was about to rage. Like, I was trying to survival called baby. I don't know. Like, give me 'em. I want 'em. Dude, I would delete you. Just kidding. I would delete you. Dude, these are... Oh, there's the diamonds. I'm like, where's the diamonds? I'm like, where is this all? I know. Could. Basically, yeah. Oh, I went over. This is